going on, guys? Today we're gonna be installing a Catback Corsa exhaust kit on my stepdad's 2017 Ford Mustang. He just got this car probably about a month and a half, 2 months ago, and he doesn't like it. Well, he likes the car, just he wants it a little louder, so got the exhaust kit in the back of the truck here. Probably couldn't see that at all, it's pitch black. So we're gonna head over to the house and throw her on, see how she sounds. We'll give you a before and after to give you guys a good estimate. That's be straight piped pickup truck. What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be putting a Catback Corsa exhaust kit on my stepdad's 2017 Mustang GT. Just got done work. It's probably gonna take us, I don't know, I'm thinking like 45 minutes or whatever. Not too big of a job, but we'll do a before and after so you guys can hear. The system that he bought is a really good system. It sounds a lot better, so kind of excited to see what it sounds like. Okay, so we got the exhaust fully bolted in and mounted. All we had to do was disconnect the clamps after the cats and the flex pipe, put the Corsa together, mocked it up on the ground, and fitted it once it got in. There's hangers right there that we had to take off, hangers up there, and just it clamped together after the Y pipe, and then the tips go on there. First startup, sounds nasty. Nasty. That's awesome. Gramps, what do you think?
Sounds good.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, they did. They look the same.